A few of the old Amazon picks. Shopping on Amazon. This is the one that I use the most. Can't you tell? Okay. That one's all picked over. This is that one with all the picks in it. Including a broken key remover in every one, just about. This is what you get. This is a bunch of car tools. This is an old Gasso knockoff. Whether you have one employee or thousands, you need to verify your potential and recurring employees free. I'm one of thousands of business owners who use Grainshield. This is my Calm Master tooling set. It is stocked with picks. That one was about $30 if I remember right. Didn't use a single one. I couldn't vouch for any of those. This is that same one, only brand new, never been out the case. That same one as the first one. And these are, I'm not sure what they are. I think they're for cars. But that's what you'll get when you order up on an Amazon pick set. I used to go through picks, so I got a few. But that's a quick look, and I appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.